Charging your Porsche Macan Electric at home is simple and efficient. In this video, we'll guide you through the complete process, from plugging in your vehicle to safely disconnecting and hitting the road. Make sure your Macan Electric is unlocked. Press the rear of the charge port cover to open it, unless you have the power charge port cover option. The level 1 and level 2 charging ports of the Macan Electric are located on both sides towards the rear of the vehicle. Porsche EVs can be charged in multiple ways. The included Porsche Mobile Charger supports level 1 and level 2 charging. Select the correct power cable you will be using with your Porsche Mobile Charger. Align and insert the connector to the charger's port with the clip extended halfway. Once inserted, pull the clip back fully. Continue to insert the power cable connector. Push the clip down while applying pressure to the connector. Your charger is now ready for use. You can also mount your charger to the wall near your power outlet, using the included mounting bracket with the cable neatly coiled. If using the level 1 power cable, insert the 120-volt plug into a standard wall outlet. This is best suited for overnight charging or when time is not a concern. For faster level 2 charging, you may need a certified electrician to install an additional 240-volt outlet at your home. Align your charging plug with the vehicle's charge port and push in firmly until you hear a click. A pulsing green light means charging is in progress. A solid green light means charging is complete. A red light indicates an error and troubleshooting may be required. Feel free to contact us for assistance. You can monitor the charge status of your Macan Electric through the onboard display. You can also check your charge status in the My Porsche app. Your Porsche will continue to charge while you're away. Unlock the vehicle and press the indicator button to unlock the charging plug. Press the release button on the charging plug handle and pull. Safely coil the cable and insert the charging plug into the included wall mount. The Porsche Mobile Charger can also be placed back in the included storage bag for use while travelling. You now know how to charge your Macan Electric at home with the included Porsche Mobile Charger. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a second delivery for another in-person demonstration, feel free to contact one of our Porsche Pros via phone or email at pro@champion-porsche.com.